Understanding the gut-brain connection. How fermented foods influence emotions and microbiome health. The human gut is far more than a digestion center. It's a dynamic communication hub that directly connects to our brain and emotions. Scientists call this powerful link the gut-brain axis, and it's transforming how we understand mental health, stress, and overall well-being. One key player in this connection: fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and kombucha aren't just trendy health picks. They're repacked with beneficial bacteria that help nurture a healthy microbiome. This microbiome, a vast community of trillions of microorganisms living in our digestive tract, influences not only how we process food but also how we feel. Research shows that these microbes communicate with the brain via the vagus nerve, the body's internal messaging highway, shaping our emotions, mood, and even behavior. When your gut is balanced, the good bacteria produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, the same chemicals that regulate happiness, motivation, and calmness. In fact, nearly 90% of serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone, is produced in the gut. This means that maintaining a healthy gut can literally make you happier. Conversely, when the gut microbiome is out of balance, a condition known as dysbiosis, it can contribute to mood swings, anxiety, depression, and other emotional challenges. Fermented foods play a vital role in restoring that balance. They help replenish beneficial bacteria, crowd out harmful microbes, and promote yeast growth that supports digestion and immune health. Regularly consuming fermented foods strengthens gut diversity, which is essential for resilience and emotional stability. On the other hand, a restrictive or monotonous diet can decrease microbial diversity, making the gut and your mood more vulnerable. Rebuilding a damaged microbiome can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, underscoring the need for consistency and variety in your diet. The gut is often called the second brain for a reason. It houses over 100 million neurons that send constant feedback to your brain about your body's internal state. Factors like diet, stress, antibiotics, and sleep all influence how this gut-brain dialogue plays out. By nourishing your gut with fermented foods, fiber-rich vegetables, and diverse meals, especially during festive seasons that bring food variety, you're really not just feeding your stomach. You're feeding your emotional balance too. What we eat doesn't just affect our physical health. It directly shapes our mental and emotional landscape. Studies link gut health to psychiatric conditions like depression, OCD, anxiety, and even schizophrenia. This makes gut care one of the most promising frontiers in mental wellness today. The takeaway: feed your microbiome, and it will feed your mind. Introduce fermented foods gradually, eat a diverse diet, and stay mindful of what you consume. Over time, your gut will thank you with better digestion, improved immunity, and a brighter mood.